Go and have a seat, have enough room so you put your feet up on the bench. Lie down. You want to lay the bar here before you start the set. So you just put your arms back and grab the bar. Tuck your elbows inward. Go ahead and lift up the weight. His arms are perfectly perpendicular to the floor. Wrist nice and straight. He's going to come down to a 90-degree angle. Bam, right there. Now lock it out. Squeeze the tricep. Beautiful. You're going to breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Head nice and straight. Look straight up. Go ahead and look at the bar. That's where you want to be looking. Don't look around the gym. You got to make sure you concentrate on that bar, because that bar comes down strong, hits you in the forehead, you're not going to be a happy camper. Arms are not swaying back and forth. For those of you on the easy curl bar day, all you do is simply do the same thing, but you hold it right in there. Wrist straight. Perfect. Go ahead, come down. Same exact way.